Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, it may be crushed like mad, but I did get a new Stampin' Up! Order. This is, I believe, the pre-order that I was able to get because I'm a demonstrator for Stampin' Up! So I was able to get some products a month early. So let's see what I grabbed. I'm going to use big, huge scissors because for some reason my fingers aren't working with those little guys. And again, I always forget what I got because my memory is so horrible. Like, I'm pretty sure I got a ink refill because I know I needed it. And that is about all I remember. So this is going to be like Christmas for me because I do not remember what's in here. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy open and see what we've got here. So some of this stuff is going to be, oh yeah, there's the ink refill. It is the Sahara sand because I needed some new Sahara sand. And then you guys, these are the 2019 through 2021 in color faceted dots. So I just love this color here. I don't like all the colors together, right? But I love the colors individually. They're so brilliant individually. So I think this is my favorite color of this in color. Who knows, it may change. All right, you guys don't care about my opinions, do you? Or do you? This is a stamp cleaning pad. It says avoid contact with mouth, harmful if swallowed. I have not tried this yet. It says it removes the classic Stampin' ink. So we'll have to see. And you guys, I'm going to be doing all things Stampin' Up! Right now. So if you are interested, keep on watching. I'm just going to keep on creating my videos because I have so many things that I'm involved with right now and I want to share with you. Like this beautiful ribbon. Can you see that? Look at that. It's so pretty. This is in the Pretty Peacock, and it is a kind of burlap color with some fringe on it. And I believe this comes in all of the different in colors, but I wanted to just do a little order because I know when the catalog hits live, oh my goodness, I'm going to get so many things. Then I got this photopolymer stamp set. It's called To a Wild Rose, and it's got the 2-step stamping. Look at that. It's got actually 3 steps. Same here. Oh my goodness. And this is said to be your friend. Hello, and grateful to know you. True friendship is one of God's greatest gifts. And then this one says blessed. I just think this is so pretty. So I grabbed that. And then I decided what color, since I got the peacock ribbon, I also wanted to get this peacock paper as well. So I'm kind of, when I buy things, I buy them in the color. And as a demonstrator, when you place your pre-order, they give you the catalog as well. So I unfortunately can't show you the catalog yet, but they will be sent out. So anybody who had purchased from me recently will get one of these in their mailbox. So the order needed to be over $25, I believe is my cutoff. So if you see anything you like, you guys, this stuff is going to be out June 4th is when you can start ordering from the new catalog, or you can become a demonstrator and start ordering now. So it's only $99 to become a demonstrator. Start your own business. Become a Stampin' Beauty on my team. and then we can really get going and have some fun. So, all right, beauties, I'm so excited to be having this because my last one was getting a little low. And I am thrilled that you guys are going to be watching me. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe right here if you love paper crafting, because I will be doing quite a bit of paper crafting today. I have lots of swaps that I'm getting ready for, and I'll show you along the way what I'm doing. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!